Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Valorant account in 2025 full guide. Make sure to emphasize all the steps properly so that you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, you have to go into your browser. It can be any browser, Chrome or uh, Microsoft browser. Just go into it and search for Valorant. And then you have to click on the first link it is showing, which is basically Valorant's official site. Now you have to tap on to play for free. From there you have to download it for your PC, Xbox or PlayStation. Choose the one you want to play Valorant on. Then after completing the installation, tap on to download, then complete the installation. Then you have to set up a Riot account and then tap on to Valorant. Tap onto it. So now it is asking for me to enter a username or password, or you can continue with your Facebook account, Google account or Apple ID or Xbox and also PlayStation. So for now I will go with my Google account. I'm gonna enter it. So I have entered my Google account. Now I have to set up a password. Here you can see I'm gonna enter my Google account. Now I have to enter my password. So after entering your password, make sure to continue. Now it is asking for me to open my Riot client account, so I will just simply open it. And that's it. And here you have to scroll down to the very last until this option gets enabled. So just scroll down to the last, and then you have to tap on to scroll to accept. Then tap on to accept. Now here you can see my Valorant account is done. Now after the completion of this update, I can play Valorant easily. So that's it. This is how you can create a Valorant account for you. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. See you in the next video.